India's Ministry of Health on Thursday confirmed that 2 men aged 46 and 66 in Karnataka tested positive for Covid's Omicron variant and that the test results of 10 people were having a primary contact with the two are awaited. The government has directed the health department and states to increase the number of COVID tests. Present studies suggest that the new variant of COVID, Omicron, can be rapidly transmitted through the air, according to COVID expert panel. The committee also warned the government to be extra vigilant. The committee directed that the number of samples sent for genomic sequencing should be increased and that discussions on a third dose be initiated immediately. The World Health Organization and experts in South Africa, who first identified the variant, warned the Omicron is highly contagious. The panel of experts reported to government that the possibility of rapid transmission through air indicates the diffusion capacity of Omicron. The report mentions that masks should be mandatory and crowds should be avoided. Meanwhile, India logged 9,765 fresh COVID cases in the past 24 hours, below 10,000 mark for 6th day in a row, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare said on Thursday morning. With the addition of 477 fatalities, the total death toll has climbed at 4,69,724. The recovery of 8,548 people in the last 24 hours has increased the cumulative tally of the recovered patients to 3,40,37,054. Consequently, the recovery rate stands at 98.35%, the highest since March 2020. India's active caseload presently stands at 99,763. It constitutes 0.29% of the country's total positive cases, which is lowest since March 2020. Also, in the same period, a total of 10,98,611 tests were conducted across the country, pegging the cumulative test at 64.35 crore. Meanwhile, the weekly positivity rate at 0.85% has remained less than 1% for the last 18 days now. The daily positivity rate stands at 0.89%, which has also remained below 2% for last 59 days and less than 3% for 94 consecutive days now. With the administration of 80,35,261 vaccine doses in the last 24 hours, India's COVID inoculation coverage has reached 124.96 crore as of Thursday morning. This has been achieved through 1,29,79,828 in sessions. More than 22.78 crore balance and unutilized COVID vaccine doses are still available with the states and UTs to be administered. According to the ministry, India has administered over 124.96 crore vaccine doses so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. News Desk Kaumudy Global.